I will be back. Okay, so before I start, I'm going to use my Aunt Jackie Curl-La-La. This is my first time doing this, so I don't want to act like, you know, this is what I do on a regular. This is my very first time doing it. You really want to moisturize each strand really good with this curl cream. And then you're going over that strand with a bit of edge control as well. And it will leave you looking like this. I'm not going to use it at its original length. This is how long it is. That's 22 inches. I'm gonna try cutting this in half and see what happens. So you wanna kinda fluff it out a bit before you start. Here it goes. So you start off with a braid. Okay, so you're gonna braid for, let's say 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I've done that now. Now that I've done that, it's time to split that hair in half, like your natural hair in half, and twist it with each side. Now, another thing that was taught to me in watching a few videos is you want to make sure you're twisting this in the right direction. Otherwise, it will not come out very nice. So you braid and you get that strand right in the middle. And you split it in 2 and then you start twisting. So as I twist as I twist. I don't know if that makes sense. I'll try and just go a little closer so you can see. And then at the ends of my hair, I add a little bit more edge control so it doesn't stick out too much. Twist as I twist. Twist as I twist. Twist as I twist. Twist as I twist. Am I really 4 hours in? I guess I'm 4 hours in. Okay, I am on to my last 2, y'all, and I'm tired. Take 1 strand of the hair, cut it in half. I like to flip it so that there's one nice end on both ends. So 1 on this end and 1 on this end. Now the thing that I really did not like about this style is that you have to get to the very end of each twist, put a rubber band on it, let it go before you know whether or not you have to undo it and twist it in the other direction. I don't understand the rhyme or reason why. If any of you guys know, I would love to know so that I can save myself some time, because this is definitely a style that I would do often if it wasn't a hassle to install. Right now, I'm kind of thinking it's a bit tassely. So I basically used 2 bags and like 6 strands. love is for the and ordinary love is just a game for me and you. See? This is how it looks. This is how you don't want it to look. So now I have to undo it. I'm in the second smoke, students drinking chemical. You are on camera and I'm... No, you're not. Going to put you on there. So now I'm going to be going through my hair and making sure that there are not any more that I don't like. Now to cut the ends. Okay, so I've clipped the ends. I like it. I like it, I like it. I like it. It's a bit of a hassle, but I like it. Okay, so the next step is mousse. I use Lotta Body and you probably cannot see what's going on here. Ooh, feels good. Feels so nice and moisturizing. For a little bit of sheen, I'm gonna add this oil tycoon. I used this yesterday for the first time on a stretched hair twist with oh, I love the smell. It's just so natural. Stretched hair with twists, and I also roller set the twists. And my daughter, as soon as I took it out, she's like, "Your hair looks so shiny." So I was like, okay. Okay, now I've been doing this for hours. I need to go to sleep. So I'm gonna go to bed, put a bonnet on, and I will see y'all tomorrow morning. Toodles. Okay, I'm done. I don't think it's as nice as the girls that I follow that did this, but it's pretty good. First time.